Top 5 signs. Your ex still wants you back, but is too afraid to show it, even though you've already moved on to someone new. Decoding the signals via the red light and blackout framework. To answer your query, we must look at the specific psychological patterns found in the red light phase and the blackout phase. When an ex is afraid to show interest, they move between sending tests to check your availability and showing genuine effort, when their fear or need for connection outweighs their pride. The top 5 signs, distinguishing tests from genuine effort. Sign number 1, the low investment test message. Example, they send a random meme, an emoji, or a simple, "Hey," or "What are you doing?" without any emotional weight. The psychology here is that this is a way to see if you are still able or available without risking too much pride. If you respond warmly, they feel safe. If you stay quiet, they haven't lost anything because the message was low stakes. Sign number 2, probing your current status or checking your quietness. Example, asking questions like, "Why have you been so quiet lately?" Or "Are you okay?" The psychology here is that they are testing your emotional stability and seeing if your new life or your new partner has actually moved you away from them. They want to see if you're still there or if you've truly moved on. Sign number 3, expressing vulnerability and emotional openness. Example, sending messages like, "I've been thinking about us," or "I miss talking to you." The psychology here is that this is a shift from a test to genuine effort. They are no longer just checking your temperature, they are actively attempting to rebuild the connection by being vulnerable. Sign number 4, requesting deep conversation or a meeting. Example, asking, "Can we talk about what happened?" Or suggesting a way to meet in person. The psychology here is that this is a high investment move. They are willing to face the potential discomfort of past conflicts or the blackout phase to see if there is a path back to you. Sign number 5, the apology or regretful statement. Example, saying, "I'm sorry about what I said," or expressing regret about how things ended. The psychology here is that it shows they have processed the breakup and are now looking for a way to reset the emotional balance. They are testing if you are willing to accept their personhood and their mistakes. The biggest mistake to avoid. The biggest mistake is reacting too strongly to a test and mistaking it for genuine effort. If your ex sends a low investment message, like a single, "Hey," and you immediately jump back into full emotional intensity, you create an unbalanced emotional dynamic. You might accidentally chase them, which often causes them to pull away again. If you treat a simple probe as a deep confession, you lose your ability to maintain the healthy rhythm needed for a real reconnection. Personal advice and golden rules. My best personal advice, stay calm and able. Whether they send a tiny test or a massive effort, your goal is to remain a stable force. If you respond to a small test with too much heat, you lose your mystery. If they show genuine effort, meet it with warmth, but do not rush back instantly. Let the connection rebuild gradually. The simple rule to remember, observe the investment. Before you react, ask yourself, is this a small probe or a real attempt? The golden rule of reconnection, never chase a test, only respond to effort. If they test, stay cool. If they effort, stay warm. The simple formula for your reaction, for a test, use a calm and brief response, such as, "Just been busy with things." For an effort, use a warm and respectful response, such as, "I've missed our talks too."